Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to order alphabetically in Excel. To start, open the Excel file. After this, select the data to sort. Afterwards, you will go to the Data menu. Click Sort. Here, in the Sort By field, select the column to use. Then, in the Order field, define how to order the data. Click OK to see your data sorted as necessary. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.